Hello esteemed colleagues, in this tutorial video we'll review how to operate with vessel orders from office side. Office employees have much more options in working with vessel orders, so pay attention. Access vessel orders section either from home page or from left side menu. Left side represents list of current orders and their statuses. Above you will find the search bar, and below you will find button to create new order. Simplify process will review case when vessel has already created an order and its process deal status sent to office, so office employees can review it and proceed further. Select necessary order and click on it. Main screen will show order details. Additional options are available for order list. Right-click on order to reveal them. You can remove order from list, move it to dry dock period, or mark order as urgent, using context menu. We'll start from top. Order name is being generated automatically and can be changed. Current status shows in which status order is currently, and currency rate allows you to set up your local currency rate to selected currency. Budget code can be applied to sort out expenses when planning budget. For example, you can assign January budget code, meaning this order will be for expenses in January. That's just an example. Now we'll review buttons. First button is status change. All statuses available can be viewed in drop-down list above the order lists. These statuses can be added or deleted or changed in system settings by a responsible person in accordance with company rules and processes. Save button allows to save changes, like after adding remarks, for example. Print button has three options: print order from warehouse, and print delivery list. Each type differs, so printing option is being selected depending on needs. In current status, order can be sent over the email, since it's not approved yet. Sending button will become active later when order will have status confirmation superintendent. Upon pressing this button, pop-up window will appear, allowing you to fill necessary information for suppliers. You can add recipients one by one, just type supplier name, or add the whole group. Also, you can decide either to include or not attachments, define delivery date, and date till quotation is required from supplier. Enter country import, address, and agent name, and add remarks. Enter message for suppliers and send a request. Same situation for set available for receiving button. Order is not ready yet, but this button can be used in case if order is ready before actual status. For example, company has found necessary parts in stock instead of ordering them from supplier. Send back button is used in case if order is not rejected but mistakenly created or needs to be corrected by crew members. Reject order means office will reject it and cancel. There are three tabs in every order. We'll review them one by one. And the first tab is order. You can leave remarks such as manufacturer name, serial number, etc. Any type of attachments can be added to order, but don't forget that maximum size of the attachment is 5 MB to avoid huge traffic usage. If you have attachment added to order, you can right click on it and you will see context menu with three options. Add file to personal supplier archive, meaning this file will be kept in supplier section. Mark as bad file will mark this file red, meaning it should be replaced by a responsible person. Hide file for vessel view means that only office employees will be able to view this file. In the middle of the screen, you can view messages. Some of the messages are being created automatically, for example, on order status change. But as an office employee, you can write your own messages. Next is ordered items section, where still necessary positions can be added in case of somebody forgot to do it before, for example. Just press Add Item to Order button, then type name of item, and select it from list. Most of the fields will be filled automatically, but you will need to enter a required quantity manually. Context menu is also available for ordered items. Right-click on item to reveal it. Split item will split position on 2. Pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter values. How many items each position will contain. For example, you can split 10 items into 4 and 6. Edit stock item allows you to change item name, catalog number, and number in catalog in stock section directly from order. Could be used in case if office employee sees a mistaken item proceeding with order. Export to Excel will export list of items as an Excel sheet. Request from warehouse option allows you to request item from warehouse instead of ordering from supplier. Stock item attachments will show list of attached files for selected item in case of any. Bottom part of the screen shows you expenses, in case if ordered items have prices mentioned in their details. Next tab is Order Item History, and it shows all changes related to items inside of order, for example, required quantity change. Supplier Comparison tab is being used to compare prices from suppliers. This tab contains a lot of information, so it has 2 checkboxes that can improve viewing. Expand to full screen will hide items to the left and above to expand the screen. Hide catalog name and number will remove mentioned columns. To start comparison, you need to select supplier from list and press Add button. After adding suppliers, you have some additional options to operate with them. Right-click on supplier to reveal context menu. Import supplier offer will automatically fill all details provided by supplier after sending them request for quotation. Print optimal prices will print only the best offer from suppliers. Print selected prices will print only those prices that you have selected manually. Print all prices will combine all offers in single document. Remove supplier will delete supplier from comparison, and mark as inactive will mark this supplier in gray color, meaning he has not provided offer. Responsible person can add prices from suppliers. After, in quick select drop-down list, you can choose select all optimal option, which will highlight good positions with green, or in case of need you can select any of added suppliers before. Bottom side contains hidden by default additional fields, prepayments, invoices, and delivery. Every of these sections has a checkbox to the left, which will activate it and will make it required. But this option is unavailable until next order status, since for now order is not approved by Office yet. Every section can be expanded. After all necessary information has been filled, you can print details or send results to the selected suppliers or various suppliers of your choice. Hope this information was helpful. Subscribe to stay tuned, and thanks for watching.